Good morning. So this topic deals with analog to digital conversion. So we need to convert the analog data to digital data so that can be understood by the computer. So that is why we go for the conversion of analog to digital data. So and that is called sampling. So analog to digital conversion is called sampling. And analog information is usually in the form of voice, which should be converted to digital signal, which is in the form of binary ones and zeros. And for that, for analog to digital conversion, we use converters, which is called analog to digital converter. And usually that analog to digital converters are codec and decoders, coders and decoders, which is called codec. So this is the analog data which should be given to a codec to transmit it to digital data. And what is an analog to digital? Then what is analog to digital conversion means? It is an electronic process in which a continuously variable signal is changed without altering its essential content into a digital signal or a multi-level signal. And input given to the analog to digital converter consists of a high voltage that varies among a theoretically infinite number of values. Examples are sine waves, which are the waves representing human speech, and the signal from a conventional television camera. And output of ADAC, in contrast, has defined levels of states. The number of states is almost a power of 2, that is 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. The simplest digital signals have only 2 states and it is called binary. All the whole numbers can be represented in binary form as strings of ones and zeros. And how do these digital signals propagate? Usually they propagate in a more efficient way than analog signals because of this digital impulses. And these digital impulses are well defined and ordered so that it can be easily distinguished from noise. Okay, and the chief advantage of digital modes in communication is this, that is, here in digital communication the noise can be easily distinguished since they are well defined and ordered. Computers talk and think in terms of binary digital data, while a microprocessor can analyze analog data. So it must be converted into digital form for the computer to make it sense. That is, if a computer needs to give some output into a microprocessor, then the digital data should be converted to analog data. A typical modem makes use of this analog digital converter to convert the incoming audio from a twisted pair line into signals the computer can understand. And in digital signal processing, an ADAC is required if the signal input is analog. An analog to digital converter, or ADAC, as it is more commonly called as ADAC, is a device that converts analog signals to digital signals. And this analog information is transmitted by modulating a continuous transmission signal by amplifying a signal's strength or varying its frequency to add or take away data. Digital information describes any system based on discontinuous data or events. One example is a modem which turns signals from a digital to analog before transmitting those signals over the communication line, such as a telephone line that carry only analog signals. And computers which handle data in digital form require analog to digital converters to turn signals from an analog to digital before it can be read. The signals are turned back into digital form, that is, it's called demodulation at the receiving end, so that the computer can process the data in its digital format. Thank you.